Hello, this is Ashwin here. Let's talk about the future of healthcare IT and its trends and predictions. I will be exploring more on the emerging technologies and their impact on the healthcare. And also, we will discuss something about the rapid growth and trends in the healthcare market. Let's talk about the market overview of the current healthcare industry. The current healthcare industry, so the market, like the digital healthcare market, is experiencing an explosive growth driven by the advancements in technology and the increased demanding for healthcare solutions that can deliver care remotely. So 4 years ago, just after the COVID pandemic, the market was valued about 96.5 billion US dollars, and it is expected to grow at an compound annual growth rate of 15% between 2021 and 28. This growth is a great evidence that the technology plays a very important role in healthcare, especially in the light of COVID pandemic, which acted as a main catalyst for these changes. The pandemic paved the way for widespread adoption of telehealth services, with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting a 154% increase in telehealth usage and after COVID compared to the previous years. So the telemedicine and digital health solutions are here to stay, signaling a fundamental shift in how healthcare is delivered and managed. And next, let's talk about the role of artificial intelligence in healthcare. The AI market in healthcare was valued around 7 billion US dollars after the COVID pandemic in 2020, and it is expected to grow at an annual growth rate of 42% till 2028. These AI-driven tools, such as image recognition systems, are playing a vital role in improving the early detection of diseases like cancers and other dreadful diseases. These AI systems have reduced the false positive by 5.7% and the false negatives by 9.4% in breast cancer detection. And let's see how AI plays a major role in personalized treatment. So AI analyzes patient data to develop personalized custom treatment plans. For example, a particular clinic, the AI-guided treatment improved the remission rates for depression by 6%, enhancing the patient outcomes. So what is the potential? So the AI is a game changer in the patient care by making healthcare more accessible, efficient, personalized, and precise. So from virtual care assistants providing 24-hour cross-7 support to predictive algorithms that foresee the health risks, the integration of AI is transforming the patient experiences and improving the outcomes. The future of AI in healthcare holds the promise of continued innovations that will further enhance the patient care and the overall health industry. Next, let's see about machine learning for predictive care. So, AI can predict acute kidney injuries in hospitalized patients up to 48 hours before the onset with an accuracy of 92%. This allows healthcare providers to intervene early, potentially preventing complications. Similarly, the AI algorithms are being used to detect the early signs of sepsis, enabling the timely treatment and reducing mortality rates. The machine learning models are used to personalize the treatment plans based on a patient's medical history, their lifestyle, and their genetic profile, improving the overall care quality and minimizing the adverse effects. The AI-powered tools also help in monitoring the chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease through real-time data analysis from wearable devices, alerting the healthcare providers to potential complications before they worsen. Clinical applications. The machine learning applications in clinical care extend beyond just predictions. So these tools assist doctors in making data-driven decisions that optimizes care and reduce the risk of medical errors. So AI-powered clinical decision support system provide real-time recommendations for diagnosis and treatment, while the natural language processing tools analyze electronic health records to identify the trends, helping the clinicians monitor the treatment outcomes and spot at-risk patients. Additionally, the AI helps in triaging emergency room patients by assessing symptoms and prioritizing those in need of immediate care, enhancing the patient outcomes and reducing wait times. And let's see the advanced data analytics in healthcare. So the data analytics in healthcare is revolutionizing the industry by transforming vast amount of data into actionable insights. So with healthcare data growing at an annual rate of 48%, the advanced analytics tools can harness this exponential growth to drive better decision making and patient care. So in population health management, the data from the electronic health records and wearable devices and other sources allow healthcare providers to identify the patterns, predict disease outbreaks, and tailor the interventions, improve the outcomes on a larger scale. So additionally, the analytics helps in operational efficiency, optimizing workflows and resource allocations and reduce cost. For example, a major hospital successfully utilized predictive analytics to reduce emergency department boarding hours by 20% and increase the early discharge by 21%, which significantly improved patient flow. Moreover, predictive analysis is also used to foresee high-risk patients for chronic conditions or readmissions, allowing for timely interventions. Analytics further enhance clinical decision support, guiding physicians with data-driven insights to improve the diagnostics accuracy and personalized treatment. Also, in supply chain management, the analytics enables healthcare providers to predict the demand for critical supplies and medications, avoiding shortages and ensuring the timely availability. So these advancements illustrate how data analytics is reshaping both patient care and operational effectiveness in healthcare. Then the next topic is like on the integration of legacy systems with the latest technologies. Sorry. First, let's talk about the challenges of integration. As healthcare technology evolves, the seamless integration of new systems with the legacy infrastructure remains a critical challenge for the healthcare providers. The continuity of patient care depends on ensuring that new technologies such as electronic health records, telehealth systems, and the other AI tools are successfully integrated into the existing IT environments. The challenge is underscored by the fact that 19% of the hospital executives cite integration with the legacy systems as a top IT priority. These legacy systems are often outdated, fragmented, and incompatible with the modern technologies, creating data silos that hinder real-time access to patient information and reduce the overall efficiency in clinical workflows. To address these challenges, the FHIR and the other standardized data frameworks are playing a very important role. The FHIR-based solutions facilitate a smoother integration by establishing the uniform protocols for exchanging healthcare data across different systems and platforms. So these solutions can reduce the data integration time up by 75%, accelerating the process of incorporating advanced tools like AI-powered diagnostics or remote monitoring systems into hospital IT infrastructure. With FHIR, the healthcare providers can improve the interoperability, ensuring that patient data flows seamlessly between different departments, hospitals, and even external health systems, thus enhancing the care coordination. Let's talk about the blockchain and the importance of cloud migration in the next slides. Cloud migration. So the cloud migration is another key strategy that healthcare organizations are trying to overcome the integration challenges. So the global healthcare cloud computing market is expected to reach 65 billion by next year, driven by the demand for scalable and cost-effective solutions. So to migrate to the cloud offers increased scalability, allowing the healthcare giants to easily expand their IT capabilities without the need for large scale like investments. The cloud-based platforms provide flexible and secure environments that enable the integration of new technologies such as telehealth applications or AI-driven analytics at a lower cost and with faster time and a faster turnaround time. So this shift not only enhances system performance but also offers real-time data accessibility, supporting more responsive and efficient patient care. So by leveraging the cloud, healthcare systems can reduce the complexity and cost with maintaining the on-premise hardware while improving the overall integration with innovative healthcare technologies. Next is a blockchain. So blockchain for the data security. Another emerging solution for secure and efficient data exchange is a blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized and tamper-resistant method for sharing sensitive healthcare data. So blockchain has the potential to save the healthcare industry 100 to 150 billion annually by next year, primarily by reducing the data breaches, IT cost, and operational inefficiencies. So blockchain ensures data integrity and security by creating immutable records of transactions. A notable example is a pilot project involving two major healthcare giants which used blockchain to synchronize the provided data across the systems. So this initiative showed a 50% reduction in admin costs by eliminating the data and discrepancies, reducing errors, which really shows a major reduction in the cost. So with these new technologies, what else we have for the future? Invest in the digital infra. So healthcare organizations should upgrade the IT systems to work with the new technologies and allow for growth. The hospitals that have made a huge investment in better digital systems saw a 2.5 increase in profit margins. So the focus on the data management, the poor data quality is costing the US healthcare systems billions of dollars each year. By improving the data management, they can cut down the errors by 30% and make more reliable decisions. So, and also training the workforce. The healthcare professionals needs to be trained to use the digital tools effectively. So hospitals that had a major investment in digital training for their staff saw a 23% boost in productivity and an 18% in their patient care. So these healthcare companies or the healthcare organizations should collaborate with the tech companies to speed up the innovation and provides access to the latest technologies. And here we go for the conclusion. Like the healthcare industry is on the verge of a major technological transformation. The AI, machine learning, advanced data analytics, and blockchains are already playing a major role in reshaping the patient care and their operations. The path forward is not without challenges, but the healthcare organizations must prioritize the integration of legacy systems and invest more on the digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity, data governance, and workforce upskilling are crucial for harnessing the full potential of these technologies. As we move forward, organizations that embrace digital transformation will be better equipped to improve the patient outcomes, reduce operational cost, and stay competitive in the healthcare landscape. Thank you.